Okay, so we're going to work with the quick release plate on the medium duty tripod and attaching a pochade box. To remove the quick release plate, you're going to use the apostrophe shaped thumb lever. Keep an eye on your quick release plate because it's going to want to pop out. Once it is out, you will use this, it's kind of a wing nut sort of thing, to attach it to your box. But before that, you might want to play around with releasing it and putting it back into the tripod a couple of times to familiarize yourself, because once you have it on the box, you kind of end up, it's just better to familiarize yourself. So you might want to practice taking it out and replacing it a couple of times. Just get familiar. When you go to put it in the tripod, you need to apply some pressure to close the quick release plate down so that it is locked in place. So I'm going to attach it to a French resistance. I'm going to turn my box upside down and use the wing nut part to screw it in. And you might, in some cases, want some pliers just to give it a little bit of a tweak, but I feel like I've got it on there. Go ahead and fold that the wing nut part down, or it's going to hinder you from putting it on there. The first couple of times that you do this, you just want to keep an eye on what you're doing. Get it in place, apply some pressure, and I would go ahead and push the thumb lever a little bit to make sure that it is fully engaged, and then you're ready to go ahead and open up your box and start painting. You can use the side knobs here to angle it a little bit on the ball head. Now remember, once you have a box on your tripod, it is a bit like having a crowbar and a door. If you apply pressure to the corner of your box, there is going to be a little bit of a give. So just proceed with care. I wouldn't go and slam your fist down on your box. It may likely fly off. But anyway, so then when you're ready to pack up, close up your box and use the thumb knob, release your box. Again, when you go to put the box on, then keep an eye on what you're doing. Put down some pressure, push a little bit on the thumb knob, and you're good to go.